Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to breathe. Full speed, sans voler Paris. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to breathe. Full speed, sans voler Paris. Speedboats, in Nikki B. Raising my ass open key. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on me, like sleep, I stop it. Just go get ready, we go out, baby. All the time looking for the bounce. Just go get ready, we go out, baby. Ozzy had the bounce. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to breathe. Full speed, sans voler Paris. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to breathe. Full speed, sans voler Paris. Speedboats, in Nikki B. Raising my ass open key. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on me, baby. Like sleep, I stop it. Just go get ready, we go out, baby. All the time looking for the bounce. Ozzy had the bounce. Just go get ready, we go out, baby. Ozzy had the bounce. stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V. Yeah. Come with me, fly you out to breathe. Full speed, so fall it barrier. Come with me, leave all of your danger. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V. Yeah. Come with me, fly you out to breathe. Full speed, so fall it barrier. Speedboats, in naked beat. Breeze in my ear, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on me, baby. Life's cheap, baby. I stop, baby. Just go get ready, we go out, baby. All time looking for the bounce. Just go get ready, we go out, baby.
I just need y'all to look at this wig. Look at this wig. Look at this wig. How good does this wig look? Please tell me, how good does this wig look? This is by far my most favorite wig I have ever put on my head. And let me tell you why. Also, let me tell you why you need it, why it's beginner friendly. Let me just tell y'all, this wig is pre-plucked. I didn't pluck a thing. Now I say I did not touch my tweezers for this wig. I did not touch my tweezers. I didn't have to. The wig came pre-plucked. Like, it's plucked so good. Like, it's not over plucked, it's not too lightly plucked. It's just like the perfect amount. It's literally just like the perfect amount of plucking. It's transparent lace. It's tinted transparent lace. I did have to add a little bit of makeup to mine because I'm of darker complexion, so I did have to add a little bit of makeup. But that was fine. Even without, before I put the makeup on, I believe you'll see in this video, it was kind of blending in pretty well even without the makeup. But just to make sure that it wasn't like a white cast or anything or whatever, I did add a little bit of makeup to my lace. Also, there's no baby hair. No baby hair needed at all. Like, at all. If you want baby hair, you can definitely add it, but you guys know that I don't really care for baby hair. I'm not the best at it on wigs anyway, so I just don't do it. If I do, it's a rare occasion, but I don't really do baby hair. If you're like me and you just can't do the baby hairs, this is the wig for you. Let me tell you my favorite part about this wig. Let me get a little closer to show you. Can y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's glueless. It's glueless. No glue, no gel, no spray, nothing. This is my first glueless wig. Like, I've never had a wig that would like fit properly enough for me to literally put nothing on it to where it felt secure enough to stay on. And this one is that. Like, all I have is an elastic band that also comes pre-sewn into the wig, so you don't have to worry about sewing an elastic band on, because I myself do not know how to sew elastic bands on. Like, I've tried before and I just ended up hurting my ear. So you also don't have to do that yourself. It comes inside the wig already. I'm saying all this to say, you need this wig. Please invest in one of these wigs. Like, the quality is amazing. This hair is so smooth. It just feels like good quality hair. It's so full. Like, look at how full it is. Can y'all see that? Sorry if y'all can hear my chair squeaking, but it's just so full and I just like love it. Like, this is like the best wig I have ever tried, and I'm not lying when I say that, like, at all. Like, you don't have to bleach it, you don't have to pluck it, you don't have to do anything, you don't have to glue it down. Like, this is the first wig I've ever actually just taken out the box and put on my head. I didn't wash it either because it did come with light curls in it, and I decided to just curl it a little bit more. You guys know I don't really care for like super tight curls, so this is like right up my alley. So yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. You guys, let me know what you think about this hair. Let me know what you think. Tell me, I want you to tell me how good this looks. And the highlights also, did I mention the highlights? They're so pretty. Like, they're so pretty. There's some over here too. They're kind of hidden because I had to add more hair to this side for my part, but this is so pretty. It's just giving grown woman to me. Like, it's really just giving grown. It's making me feel really mature. I don't know the length and the density, but that will all be in the description box below for you guys. So you guys, make sure you check the description box to check out RPGSHOW and get you a wig. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.